How do itemized deductions work for Form 1040? Imagine saving more money on your taxes just by keeping track of your expenses. That's what itemized deductions can do for you when you file your tax return. When you fill out your Form 1040, you have two options to reduce your taxable income. You can take the standard deduction or itemize your deductions. If you choose to itemize, you need to fill out Schedule A, which is part of your tax forms. On Schedule A, you list all your eligible expenses. These include mortgage interest on up to 2 homes, which means the interest paid on your primary residence and a second home. You can also deduct state and local income taxes or sales taxes, whichever you paid. Property taxes on your real estate are also deductible. Medical and dental expenses are deductible if they exceed 7.5% of your adjusted gross income. For example, if your adjusted gross income is $50,000, only medical expenses over $3,750 count. Charitable donations to qualified organizations are deductible, including cash gifts and donated items. Some less common deductions include casualty losses from federally declared disasters or gambling losses, but only up to the amount of your winnings. It's important to keep receipts and records for all these expenses. You might need to show proof if the IRS asks for it later. You should only itemize if your total deductions are higher than the standard deduction for your filing status. For example, in 2025, the standard deduction is $15,750 for single filers and $31,500 for married couples filing jointly. If your itemized deductions add up to more than these amounts, it makes sense to itemize. People in the Asian American community often own multiple properties, make charitable contributions, or pay state and local taxes in different states. These situations can make itemizing more beneficial. Remember, the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, which started in 2018 and lasts through 2025, increased the standard deduction and limited some itemized deductions. So each year, it's smart to check if itemizing will save you more money. In short, when you choose to itemize on your Form 1040, you list specific expenses on Schedule A. These expenses are then subtracted from your adjusted gross income, lowering your taxable income. Just be sure to keep good records and compare the total of your deductions to the standard deduction to see which option saves you the most money.